Scientifically known as Asialia cialis, the eastern bluebird is one of the prettiest birds in Texas. It likes to live in open country land or plains closed off by trees and berry bushes, but have most recently been found in meadows in the areas of unconserved. A few more facts we have about the eastern bluebird is that it is valued by many other artists for its colorful feathers and its very friendly behavior. The males, in order to attract their females, will take their wings and flutter them in their face until they are noticed and will not stop until they are like mated with, which I guess would be really unattractive if you're a human, but I guess it works for birds. Also, the eastern bluebird is the state bird for many. Eastern bluebirds had almost gone extinct at one point in time, but thankfully that the natural habitats of Texas were able to completely and successfully rebreed their species, which just makes them all the more special to artists and to any type of wildlife. Many different types of berries and insects, but its favorite food to eat is called the blueberry plant, or as scientists know it, as the Vaccinium coryboscis. Most of the eastern bluebirds like to eat blueberries is because they're very popular around the meadows and the open plains and countrysides that they are used to living on. Blueberries are native to North America and have been very popular to many ancient tribes. Blueberries contain lots of vitamins and fibers that eastern bluebirds require to survive.